Hello everyone, welcome to our factory. It is our factory building. It has 2 floors. The first floor is our workshop and meeting rooms. The second floor is our office. Today, I will show you around our workshop. Let's go. It is welding. All stainless steel sheets are welded together on the horizontal tables. It is assembly of main body structure. Inner and external chambers are assembled together. It is insulation. Foam or fiberglass wool is insulated. It is cooling system assembly. You can see that all our components are world-famous brands. The compressors are Tecumseh, Copeland or Bisser. The solenoid valves are Danfoss, Sportland. It is the electrical components layout. The components are Schneider, Umren, Danfoss, Carlo Gavazzi, and so on. Besides, it has very simple and specific wire labels and markings. The controller is designed by KOMEG. It is an English interface. It is programmable. It has RS485 and Ethernet ports for PC communication. Thanks for your time. Welcome to visit our factory.